So we're down here in Charlton in southeast London. This is our restoration project all completed now, so I'm just going to give you a run through of everything that's been done on the front of this property. So we'll start off at the front here. So customers had a new garden wall with all new coping stones all the way along. As you can see, the detail in all of the coping stones all on the top of the garden wall looks amazing. Repointed all of the garden walls in natural lime mortar. Nice new railings all the way along to finish off. Nice new capping stones on all of the piers as well. As you can see, really finishes it off very well. Nice new door number plaque to go through there. All new steps and risers all of the way through. We supplied all of them for the customer with all of the stonework. All the new railings all the way through the front of the property. It's all now been tiled, so this is setting it off really well now. It's all been tiled, all the landscaping's been done. I mean, the transformation is incredible here. So this is really one of the most restored Victorian houses probably in southeast London. Everything apart from the front door, I know Justin's looking to change that next. There's probably nothing on the front of this house that hasn't been done. All of the stonework we've taken all back to natural stone. So taken all of the paint off all of the stonework, taking it all back to natural stone. Just going to zoom in on all the detail and all of the capitals. As you can see there, all of the carvings is incredible. The window sills have all been restored. We put a new plinth on the base of the property with nice new period air vents. All of the detail work around the front door, new step on the front door, new riser on the front door. We brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour, cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks, tuck pointed all of the brickwork, replaced all of the bad bricks that needed. As you can see, look how well that looks together, the natural stone and the tuck pointing, all of the detail once again in all of the stonework that we've done there. Really high class finish. Downpipes and gutters, Justin's had all the downpipes and gutters. We also done the side of the house a few years back and the back of the house for him as well. So honestly, in person, this house looks incredible. I mean, full credit to the customer for what they've done here. They've really restored this back to probably one of the most beautiful houses that we've ever restored, if I'm honest with you. The attention to detail, very OCD, this customer. He knows exactly what he wants. You're probably watching this video. I know that, Justin, know exactly how you want everything, but yeah, hats off to you, mate. You've done an amazing job here. It looks incredible. I absolutely love this project. Really good. If I had a Victorian house myself, this is exactly how I'd be looking to restore it. But yeah, everything's all finished now. I know that he's going to get that front door replaced, and like I say, hats off to the customer. You've restored something very special here, and it looks incredible. So if you like the look of this project and you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, this is the sort of work we are turning out here on a regular basis, restoring period properties to their former glory. So give us a call, get in contact with any questions, and we're more than happy to any questions you've got, just answer any questions. Drop us a call or an email and we'll get back to you with any inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.